Hi, I'm Lindsey Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sugar-free protein shake. In order to make this sugar-free protein shake, you'll need these ingredients: a half a cup of raw kale, a half a cup of raw spinach, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 3/4 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons chia seeds, a half a cup of frozen pineapple, and 1 banana. And we'll actually start with our base, which is the almond milk, and always make sure you buy the unsweetened almond milk. Adding greens like kale and spinach are great for not only boosting up the protein, but they also have additional health benefits. Greens are a great way to build your immunity, clear congestion, and lift your spirit. And we'll work our way up to the rest of the ingredients. We'll simply add them in the blender, blend on medium for 1 to 2 minutes, and enjoy. This smoothie is not only sugar-free and full of protein, but it's great for a before or after workout. I'm Lindsey Smith, creator of foodmoodgirl.com, and that's how to make a sugar-free protein shake.